In a bowl, add cleaned shrimp, 1 tablespoon oil, 1 teaspoon chili flakes, 1 tablespoon chopped garlic, salt to taste, mix and set aside. I also have 1 cup of cooked lobster meat. Slice 1 onion, slice 1 red pepper, slice 1 hot pepper, set aside. In a hot wok, add oil, add your marinated shrimp, cook 1 minute on each side. Don't overcook it. Remove from heat. Add your peppers and onions and 1 can of drained corn. Mix until al dente. Remove and set aside. For the curry sauce, add 1 tablespoon of garlic and ginger. Add 1 can of coconut cream, 3 tablespoons of fish sauce, add 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, add 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, add a 1/4 cup chicken broth, and juice from 1 lime. Add 2 tablespoons of curry. I'm using green, but you can use red or yellow. Mix and simmer for 15 minutes. Add your sautéed vegetables, shrimp and lobster meat, and I add 1 bag of sprouts. Cook 2 more minutes. Serve over rice or noodles.